Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Mona and you're watching my YouTube channel, Mona's YouTube Reviews. So I have finished a lot of products recently and I am dumping them. So before dumping them, I just thought of doing a video on, as you have seen the title, it's like whether I'm going to buy the products again or not. So I'm going to talk a few things about each of the product, my honest review about the products, and I'm going to tell you guys that whether I'm going to buy it or not. So let's just get started. There are a lot of skincare and hair care products and few makeup items because as you know, makeup items takes a lot of time to finish. First product that I have today is a face wash from the brand Divine. This is a Divine Honey face wash. I had got this from Amazon. It is a good face wash. It does cleansing and everything very well, but it does hurt my eyes a lot. If it by any chance goes inside the eyes, it is going to burn your eyes. Otherwise, it is a good product. It's a good cleanser, but also affordable. I think I paid around 200 rupees for this face wash after discount. Whether I will buy this product or no, no, I'm not going to buy any product from this brand again because as I said, it does hurt my eyes a lot and you have to be very careful that you close your eyes, which is not always possible. I do not think I'll be buying this product again. So the next product that I have is Dot and Key Skincare Barrier Repair Plus Hydrating Gentle Face Wash. I have used this as well as I've also finished the moisturizer from the same range. Now let me show that together also. So I have both the products now. This is the moisturizer and this is the face wash. Now I have finished both of them and both of these are amazing products. Talking about the face wash first, it is a very good face wash for people having sensitive skin. It is so soft, doesn't have any extra added chemicals, doesn't for the fragrance, these both of the products are fragrance free, and it is good for people dry skin because it doesn't kind of makes your face dry. And I said it is a very soft and very good face wash for sensitive skin people and also for dry skin people. It's a good product. I will definitely buy it again. And coming to the face cream, this is the face cream. This is a very good product for people having dry skin, I would say, because it is a light moisturizer. At the same time, not a moisturizer which is very light so that you have to keep reapplying them after a certain point of time. It's not like that. It is a very good product for sensitive skin as well as for dry skin, and I completely loved and used every drop of both of these products. So yes, I am going to buy both of this product very soon again once I finish up my current skincare products. So yes, definitely Dot and Key, this barrier repair plus hydrating range is definitely coming back to my stash again. Completely used up my Nivea soft face moisturizer. I loved using this product and used it completely. And also I have a full-on review video on this product on my channel. I will link it down so that you can go and watch it out. This is a very good product for everyday use for people having dry skin, I would say. Normal to dry skin, not for oily skin, because it is a light moisturizer, but I would say that little greasy, if not too much. It's little greasy. So this is an amazing product. People having dry, normal, sensitive, everybody can use this product. Oily skin people can definitely use it because it is super light moisturizer, but also dry skin people can use this because it is not overly light. As I said, same thing about the previous moisturizer. This one has added fragrance in it, which I kind of like. It's a very good product, very soft, and people having all sort of skin type can wear it. Definitely, I'm going to buy this again. Definitely, it's going to coming back, and also it's a very affordable product by Nivea. I absolutely love it. Okay, so I finished up one lipstick from Smashbox. So these are the mini lipsticks from Smashbox, which came in combination, like two lipsticks in one set. And this is the shade Spoiler Alert, and this is completely dried up. I'm very disappointed with Smashbox because of the fact that their liquid lipsticks, which are also expensive, these are luxury products, and they dry up so soon. I bought this like I think 1 year back, and within 1 year I didn't use it also as much, because I have a lot of lipsticks. I have more than 300 lipsticks, and it's not possible for me to use one lipstick very often. I keep on changing my lipsticks. So this product dried up so soon, I couldn't get proper use of it. I couldn't use it properly. So Smashbox, when you're charging so much for your lipsticks, please make sure that they don't dry up, so fast. I mean, I have lipsticks from so many brands, luxury brands like Huda Beauty, from Too Faced, etc. They don't dry up. They are there in my stash, and they're still working fine. They're 2 years old, but this one is just a 1 year old, and it dried up completely. I couldn't use up. It's very disappointing. It's completely dry, and it is kind of going into my dustbin. But talking about the color, it is a nice nude shade, which is a mauvish nude shade. I'll try to swatch it if possible. No, it is not swatching also. It's completely gone. It's a mauvish nude shade, and work well in all skin tone. So if you want, you can try this product, but make sure that you keep wearing it now and then, because it's gonna dry up very, very soon, baby. I want to make it a point that I am not buying any liquid lipstick from Smashbox again, because they dry up so soon. It is simply wastage of money. If you're not sure that you're going to wear it now and then, it is completely wastage of money. Moving on to the next product is again a lipstick. This is also a liquid mousse lipstick from the brand Lakme. Lakme 9 to 5 weightless matte mousse lip and cheek combo, which came, I think, maybe 4 years back. This was launched in the market, and this is in the shade Plum Feather, and this was one of their bestsellers from this entire range, and I had bought it, and I have used this lipstick a lot, and now it's completely gone. Little bit is there. I can see little bit is there. I mean, at least I'm able to swatch the shade. It's a beautiful shade, but it's completely dried up, and I have kind of used this product a lot, so maybe it dried up, and I don't regret it, because I kind of got a lot of use of this. This is the shade. I think all of you must be knowing about the shade, because this is one of their best sellers. And this is definitely a very, very good quality product. 95 weightless mousse by Lakme. These are amazing. You can use this as a blush as well as your liquid lipstick. So this range is good, but whether I'll buy this color again or not, no, I'm not going to buy this color, because I have something similar to this. Finished up L'Oreal Paris Clay Extraordinary Clay Purifying Shampoo. I love this shampoo too much. My entire family loves this shampoo. This shampoo works on our hair very, very well. Out of all the L'Oreal Paris shampoos that there is in the market, this one works wonderfully for all of us in the family. And there is a bigger version of this already there in the washroom. So we love this. And I think from the next 10 years, it's going to be there always in my bathroom stash. So yes, this is definitely a repurchase. Will be repurchased for the next 10 years. I love the shampoo. The Dove Intense Damage Repair Mask. This is a hair mask, and I finished every drop of it. You can see every drop of it is finished. This product, it smells so good. I think I have a full-on review about this product on my channel. You can go and watch it. This is an amazing conditioner. They come in different variants. I had the damage repair one, because my hair is always frizzy, and this product works so wonderfully on my frizzy hair. As the curls are coming back now, the straightening is going. This product is an amazing product. Very, very good hair mask. If your hair is dry, frizzy, try this product out. Definitely I'm going to buy this again. I'm going to place this order just tomorrow for this. This is an amazing product. Yes, definitely has to be there in my collection. I love. Finished every drop of this product. This is a mcaffine coffee body lotion. I love this product. In the month of December, when the winter was, too extreme, I have used this product, and it worked wonderfully for my skin. I'll try to see. Okay, so there's a little bit of product is left, like little bit of drop is left. It smells just like coffee, and it kind of works very, very well. It is a light, super light, not extreme heavy or anything. It's a super light body cream, but it just works work so well. It's not like a cream which is super light and gets just just disappear after a certain time. It's not like that. It is going to be there on your body for straight 24 hours. I love this product, and I have finished every drop of it. and definitely I'm going to buy it again. I do have the body butter version of the same range, but I have mixed feelings about it. I like the body lotion more. I'll do a video about the products later, but yes, this is definitely a very very good product. If you're having dry skin, please try this product out by mcaffine. Definitely I'm going to repurchase this again. Next up is Lakme 9 to 5 primer plus matte plus primer powder foundation, and I have finished every inch of the powder. I just loved this product. This is an amazing product, and I am actually feeling so good that I have, finished every drop of so many products. I have respected my money. I have used these products literally I mean every inch of this. I'm feeling actually very happy because for people like me who have a lot of makeup products, it is not easy to finish the product. So when I see that I'm actually loving the product and finishing it, every single drop of the product, I really feel happy. So this is compact powder, very famous, from the brand Lakme 9 to 5. This gives light coverage. It doesn't give too much of coverage, but that coverage is enough for me, and I love this product, and very affordable as well, always in discount. Definitely I am going to purchase this product again. Lakme 9 to 5 Prime Plus Matte Powder Foundation. Another product from Lakme, which is always there in my collection, Lakme Insta Liner. This is completely used up, and already I have 2 bottles of this in my collection. Whatever liner I have, how much ever brands, like how much, even if I have 10 liners from different brands, this liner is always going to be there. It's a staple. There is no replacement for it. Very very affordable product from Lakme, and always there in my collection. So yeah, definitely a yes. Finished every drop of this Nykaa all day matte foundation. I like this foundation so much that I scooped out every bit of it, just like this. I scooped out every bit of it and I used it. This is my first bottle of this foundation, and I really enjoyed using this. The shade that I have is beige 06. It went so well with my skin tone, and the quality of the product is so nice. It's so light, gives nice coverage, not extreme coverage, but yeah, medium to light to medium coverage. And overall I love this product so much that, as I said, I scooped out every inch of it and I used it. Definitely I'm going to buy this when there's a sale going on from Nykaa. Definitely a yes from me. I love this product. Another product that I absolutely loved using in the month of November, December is this body butter from the brand Plum, in the variants Oopsie Daisy, and used it very very well. I mean, all the products that I loved, I have actually used it and emptied it out, and I'm actually liking it. This is definitely a repurchase because I love Plum as a brand. I use a lot of products from them when it comes to skincare from Plum, and I love all the products. Plum body butters are really good. This cost about 400, I think, but yeah, 525. In discount, you'll get it for 350 or something like that. I already have another version of it that I am using, and yeah, definitely I'm going to buy maybe not this variants but different variants of Plum. I already have one that I'm using right now, so definitely a good product for people having dry skin. If you are wondering what to buy, please, you can try mcaffine one or this one. Both are very nice. So definitely I finished one more foundation. This is from Maybelline Superstay foundation, and I am in the shade 220 Natural Beige. This one also is completely gone. I loved using this foundation when I was like going to parties. So 2 foundation that I absolutely love, especially for the party, is this one. That is the Maybelline Superstay one, and Lakme 9 to 5 foundation. Both of these are amazing. It works very nicely on me. This is a little bit drying, but the coverage and all that it gives, it's beautiful. You can build multiple layers of the foundation. It doesn't crack. So this is again a very good product, very good for people having dry skin. You can actually use this product. This is because for dry skin people, sometimes some product like the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. It doesn't suit on my skin because it's too drying for me. So we are very selective when it comes to foundation. So these foundations works really well for us. You can try this one. This is the Maybelline Super Stay foundation, and I loved it. And definitely I'm going to buy it. Not right now because I have other products to finish. But yeah, in the future I will buy this again. So that's all the products that I have today. I hope whatever I commented about the products will help you for your purchase. See you soon in another video. Bye.